Take a deep breath and hold it for me, please.
Percuss down the scapular line to the lower border, where resonance changes to dullness. Mark that point with a piece of tape or a pencil.
Good. You can breathe now, and when you're ready, we'll do it again.
I'm ready.
Okay. Take a couple of deep breaths. Exhale as much as you can and hold it.
Percuss up from the first point, and mark where the tone changes from dullness to resonance.
You can breathe normally now, and when you're ready, we'll do the whole thing on the other side. Take a deep breath and hold, please. Exhale and hold.
The distance between the tape marks, or diaphragmatic excursion, should be 3 to 6 centimeters on each side, and the diaphragm should be slightly higher on the right because it sits over the right lobe of the liver.